Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be demoing a new product that I've created called DevGPT. And what it is essentially a tool that helps you navigate the code base regardless of how familiar you are with it. So say you're looking at a code base of 5,000 files for the first time. This is a tool that can help you find where specific functionalities happen or what certain areas of code do without you having to read through all 5,000 files. So to show you how this works, here in repository path, I'm just going to input the name of a project here. Doesn't really matter how familiar you are with this product. And then here, when I click load path, all I'm doing is directing the tool to the directory. I'm giving it a path, and what it's going to do is handle indexing and embedding, and basically it's going to go through the code base and chunk it up and understand exactly what each portion of that code base does. So we're just going to give it a minute to do that. Okay, and now that we can see that it has embedded a certain number of code chunks, we can ask any question that we want to know about this code base. So for example, maybe we want to know, let's just say, what does this code do? And then obviously we can ask any level of complexity for the type of question that we'd want to have answered. And then we're just going to click Ask DevGPT. We're going to give it a minute to think here. And then we can see here that it's generated an answer, and it's kind of giving us a breakdown of what's happening in the code. So here it says in this code snippet, and it goes through specifically what's happening and explaining exactly what we asked back to us. So I found this tool to be really useful when looking at large code bases that we maybe don't have a lot of knowledge or exposure to. But yeah, that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the message portion of my profile website. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this useful.